I say, Mrs. Bartender, you say it's my last shot. When I got up in the game, you was my #1 mascot. You was the one that I was flying out. We was the ones that everyone just kept on lying about. Now you tell me, whoa there, stop, back it up. Girl, I think you tripping, it's no wonder why you packing up. I'm out here doing numbers, but you say it's not adding up. Cause I told you plus me is all I need and that's enough. You say that I'm Hollywood, when you the one that's acting up. I'm trying to make history, but you say that we history. Girl, I know that you missing me.
They say that a picture's worth 1,000 words. So how come I can only think of 2 when I look at yours? He used to be 3, yeah, used to be me. All stuck getting lost in those pretty brown eyes. So look me in the face and beg me to stay, cause this could be the very last time. If I take one more step out the door, and if you let one more tear hit the floor, you can kiss it bye-bye, you can kiss it bye-bye, you can kiss it bye-bye, yeah, bye, yeah, bye. One last chance, boy, this is no joke. You should know I'm sorry, don't cut it no more. You can kiss it bye-bye, you can kiss it bye-bye, you can kiss it bye-bye, yeah, bye, yeah, bye. They say you don't know what you have till it's gone, yeah, but I say that you knew it all along. No matter what, I get caught up in your issues. Why do I try